Welcome to Recipes for Seven Life. If you don't already know, the holiday season is my favorite of all time. And today I'm going to show you a dish that is for the folks that maybe don't want turkey or ham this holiday. We're going to make a delicious salmon. Okay, so we're going to start by getting a beautiful piece at our local Tops, a beautiful piece of salmon. We're going to take that out of the package and dry it off. We're going to set that aside because after this comes the magic, all of our seasonings. We're going to take a bowl and to it add some garlic powder, some kosher salt or some sea salt, some onion powder, brown sugar, parsley, a little bit of cayenne, I don't like too much heat, and then paprika. Then to it we're going to add a nice squirt of lemon, and we're going to add some extra virgin olive oil. So we're going to mix all of that together, mix it very well, and then put it on top of, spread it evenly on top of your beautiful piece of salmon. Friends, I'm telling you, this is going to be delicious. So after that, I put a few slices of lemon on mine because you can never have too much lemon on salmon. Put it in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes or until you like it. I don't like mine too overcooked. After that, when you pull it out, this is what you get. I mean, look at this. Now, I like to entertain, so I added a few rosemary sprigs, some fresh cranberry, of course, some lemon. But I guarantee for your friends and family that don't really like ham or turkey, this is a delicious, delicious alternative. So you need to head over to your local Tops, grab a beautiful piece of salmon, and have a happy holiday. Head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe and so many more. Happy holidays, everyone. Recipes for Seven Life would like to thank Close Mentor.